What if your car could control time itself? Wait, let's make a game about that. The Mini Jam 97 Simulation. A competition where you have to create a game in under 72 hours? Wait, that's way too much. I'm gonna make it in 4. Also, the mandatory condition was movement is lethal. So my idea was to create a gameplay that was similar to Crossy Road, but with a time manipulating mechanic. Okay, so I have a road and a player, hi player, and bam, some Lego for some reason. By the way, this is my first game using Asset Forge. Thanks so much Kenis for this tool, it's brilliant. As you can see here, I was having trouble modeling a car piece after piece. So what I did was I opened Asset Forge and made it in minutes. Boop. Okay, it's time to create a car that can actually manipulate time. As you can see here, if you go left with your mouse cursor, you slow time. And if you go right, you make time go faster. Okay, it's my favorite time of the day, adding some post-processing effects. This is what the game looks now. Still no gameplay, but it looks so good. I generated some big boys Legos on the background. I have no idea why, okay? Just, yeah. You know when you're supposed to add gameplay, but actually what you really did was add a hue shift effect? Yeah, me neither. The cube was cute, but I actually modeled the car. Okay, brilliant. The gameplay is taking shape. You can now slow down your enemies. Are you seeing this? This is actually what happens when you have no idea what you're doing. Okay, now it's working. It's quite weird. But here's how it works. Horizontal means manipulating time, and vertical axis means rotating the vehicle. You get a car. You get a car. Everyone's get a car. I'm sorry, pardon me, sir. Yes, I'm just, perfect. And then I added a big ass Lego. Legend says this is what Paris looks like at 6 PM. Oh boy. Okay, this is an effect that I absolutely adore. If you're playing with time, and more specifically slowing time, try to decrease the saturation. Okay, again, don't ask me why, but I added a scale component to the entire camera, and I know it doesn't make any sense, but it looks cool. I had to make some walls. We don't want the player to leave the road, now do we? Then I changed the camera angle, and I did a massive change to the controls. From now on, the horizontal axis is the rotation of the vehicle, and the vertical axis is the time control. Much more intuitive this way. Let's now add a score system that is based on the player position. Also, game over menu. If you know my channel, you know what that fruit means. Music. And you know, of course, I meant the music pitch based on time itself, which means you're now DJ. Here is a little trail renderer for the player, and a main menu with a tutorial. And there you go, the game was finished in about 4 hours, I think. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like, and if you want to see more game dev videos, consider subscribing. Until then, I'll see you next time.